Anti-submarine helicopters use specially designed sensors and weapon systems to single-handedly find, track, and even destroy submarines. One of the biggest fears of submarines are specially designed military helicopters developed with anti-submarine warfare capabilities. But how does a helicopter of this type work, and why are the most sophisticated products so efficient in their role? First of all, anti-submarine warfare helicopters serve in naval environments, while they mainly operate on vessels alone or with one more to two other similar aircraft. Many of the most modern helicopters of this type can perform attack operations, although the payload limits its firepower. Their main concern is finding every enemy submarine, using their specially designed sensors and systems. Let's see what are the 10 most sophisticated helicopters of this kind capable of. Number 1. Z9EC. The Chinese Z9EC is a version of the Harbin Z9 that was designed for the armed forces of Pakistan. With its advanced systems, its powerful radar, and its capable low-frequency sensor, the Z9EC helicopter has very strong key features that make it a formidable war machine. The helicopter carries light torpedoes and operates on the Pakistani frigates of the F-22P Zulfikar class. Number 2. SA-2G Super Sea Sprite. United States achieved to improve even more the powerful SH-2 Sea Sprite with the SA-3 Super Sea Sprite version. The newer helicopter is being operated by Egypt, New Zealand, and Poland. It can be armed with a variety of different weapons, like anti-ship missiles, air-to-surface missiles, like AGM-65 Maverick, and Nike-50 torpedoes. Number 3. SH-3 Sea King. Another U.S. helicopter is the capable SH-3 Sea King, which was produced by Sikorsky at the end of the 50s. The SA-3 is the first amphibious helicopter. That means that the aircraft was the first helicopter with the capability to land on water. The Sea King can carry nuclear depth charges, while some versions, like the SA-3H, can be equipped with two Nike 46.44 anti-submarine torpedoes. Number 4. Westland Sea King. Westland Helicopters acquired a production license for the SA-3 Sea King in the United Kingdom. Similar to SA-3, Westland's Sea King can also land on the surface of the water. The aircraft operates with a crew of 2 to 4 men, depending on the requirements of each mission. The helicopter can carry up to 4 Nike 44, Nike 46 or Stingray torpedoes or 4 deep charges. Some export versions can even be armed with the Exocet anti-ship missiles. Number 5. Ka-27PL. Ka-27PL is the first version of the Soviet Ta-27 helicopter. Due to its 2 coaxial, contra-rotating rotors, the aircraft is very stable and easy to fly. Ka-27PL carries the standard equipment of a typical modern anti-submarine helicopter. That includes strong sensors and advanced systems. Number 6. AW-159 Wildcat. AW-159 is a British-made, small helicopter with very modern sensors and systems. The helicopter carries 2 Stingray torpedoes or deep charges. There is another option of armament that consists of 4 Thales Martlet multi-role light air-to-surface missiles. Number 7. C-18F. C-18F is a specially designed version for anti-submarine warfare. The helicopter, which it looks like is being produced in large numbers, is being called the Eagle of the Sea by the Chinese. C-18F features radar capable of searching on the surface and a very capable sensor. It can also carry up to 4 light torpedoes or missiles.